Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business, finance, entrepreneurship, real estate, and just life in general. Today I don't only have one, but I have two properties that I'm going to be showing you today. We are at the beautiful Catherine Estates, right around the corner from Greater Portmore and right around the corner from Spanish Town. So we're going to be viewing two units today. I'm going to show you a duplex, and I'm also going to show you the detached unit. So this is going to be a part one video, so go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate content, and you can definitely find part two in the real estate playlist of this channel. So let's begin.
Hey guys, so because construction was still taking place, I decided to do a voiceover for this tour. So this is how the front of your unit is going to look. As you can see, you get a decent front lawn, you get a porch, you get a driveway that you can park in. You don't have to leave your car on the road. And of course, they put a nice little plant there so you can have an idea of what the space can look like. As you step into the unit, it is an open concept space. So we have the living room area. We also have a dining room table. You can put your TV on that back wall right there, which I'm showing you in the video. And if I come around, you can actually see your kitchen area and your bathroom doorway. So in my personal opinion, you get a lot of counter space with this unit. It's a lot more than I currently have at my space right now. We're going to go ahead and go inside the bathroom area. So you get a stand-in shower. There's no tub, which I really appreciate. I personally am not a fan of tubs, and you get a decent space with your toilet and your sink. And there's also storage underneath your sink as well, so you don't have to worry about clutter. If you want my personal opinion, this space is great for a young professional, especially because you get such good land space with the property. This is the bedroom area. So this would be your main bedroom if you decide to add on the unit. As you can see, you get lots and lots of space, which is something I admire about this property. Even though it's for this price, you get a decent amount of house and a decent amount of land. So of course, they did a little model unit for you guys to see what you can do. So you can fit a chest of drawer in here, and they have a closet with a decent size for you and your partner. So my favorite thing about this property is actually the lot size, guys. You really do get a lot of land, so it has a lot of potential. Go ahead and like this video, and don't forget to check out part two. I'm going to be dropping photos next.